when I approach a new student, I always am interested in their makeup. I'm very nosy. I'm curious who this person is. I'm not there to tell them what they should know or how they should play or how they should feel. I'm just curious about who they are. And then my curiosity usually leads them to slowly figure out their habitual being, what they are accustomed to experience as humans, also as musicians. A lot of musicians feel, for instance, that if they don't get tense, the music is going to be boring. It's something that is so deeply connected to their way of understanding their musicianship, but it is a way that has been formulated through their evolution, their development. It's not something that the genes, I think, have made them feel that way, but something on the way made them become so attached to a certain way of expression. Now, I'm very curious about that way, and I want them to become very curious about it. I'm not there to change it, because this is them who feel. I just want them to notice that this is what is going on, and then maybe very slowly, like what we do in FI when we touch someone, we don't want to ruin their patterns. We want to join it and then suggest very subtly, maybe, try, what if you did that? Hey, listen to the sound, listen to what is going on. And then slowly they start learning that actually their habitual way is not the only one way that they can express, but there are so many other things within them. It's not that I'm going to impose on them something.